Hi there. In this session, we would like to discuss about inserting blog into menu. So we already designed some website having some pages about services contact is there. So in our pages, we would like to insert one blog. At present, we are having about page is there, services page. About page is there and services page is there and contact page is there, but I would like to insert one blog option also, blog page also. So how we can do by using blog section? Let me discuss how we can use this one. So actually, what is mean by blog is nothing but an article. So we can write n number of articles by using blog option. Blog is nothing but article, and that each article are having some features, nothing but author name. We can find out the name of the author name, and blog posted date is also be there, and for that blog or for that articles we can get some comments also be there. So all these features we can find out in several websites. So even though this blog also maintains these features, blog is nothing but an article we can write, we can discuss with any other person. Okay, so let me see how we can do that. For to create these blogs in WordPress, we will use posts. Post is nothing but an article we can write. For that, each and every post is having these functionalities and these features. Let me see how we can do that one. Come into this section. Here in this post, you can see post menu is there. Just click on that. You will get some other pages, means posts. So see, posts are similar to pages, but pages couldn't have these features, other name and blog post and comment options. We couldn't get those features in pages. So let me see. Here you can see the category also be there, but you couldn't find any category in pages because pages couldn't lead any categories. So if you want to create add new by using this option, you can do that. Post, or else you can create new post by using this option also, but before that you need to create some categories. See, for example, if there is a website about news website is there. If they would like to post some articles into their website, they will divide those articles as a category. Like for example, business category is there, category is there, and movies category is there, sports category is there, and some education category is there. They will divide for this news website, they will divide their news or any articles with categories. These are nothing but the categories. Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to create categories. For demo part we will do 2 more categories, and after that we will insert those 2 categories into menu bar. How it is possible to insert 2 categories into our menu? If I post any category in this business category, I posted one article. Okay, so I inserted some other article at movies category. Then if I insert these 2 categories into my menu bar, is it possible to show 2 articles? It is not possible to show 2 articles in one menu bar. So that what we need to do is, first we need to create one parent category. We need to create one parent category, so that rest of these 2 are having child categories. So we need to link them to parent category. If you insert this parent category as a blog, then what is happening is whatever articles you may post into this child category, all the articles will be come under the blog section, blog menu. Let me create that one. So first I would like to create a business article. First I will like to create a parent category. That name is nothing but blog. So first I will create business article. So come into this one and just click on these categories. Then I will assign some business name of the category is business. Slug is nothing but caption of the website. So business, and this is the parent category. At present I couldn't mention that parent category, just I am describing. This is business category. Just hit on the add new category. So next what we would do, we will create movie category. So come under this category name as a movie, slug also movie, and I don't want to assign parent category. This is description section. There I will mention this is movies article. Just hit on this add new category. Then you can able to see we created child categories. Description is having like this, and slug also having like this. Counting, this article doesn't have any articles, this category doesn't have any articles, even though movie category doesn't have any articles. So first then after that what we need to do is we need to create one parent category to insert this parent category into menu bar, so that we can able to find out all these articles. So come into this section, just assign this category name as blog, slug also blog. So I don't want to assign as a this is the description. I would like to assign as blog. So add new. What I would like to do is just select these things in bulk action. Now I will edit this one, quick edit. So edit this one. There you need to assign blog is your parent category. Just update. What is happening is you can see the parent category. So blog is the parent category, movie is the child category, so that here you can see the hyphen is there. And even though business, we will change this business category as a child category by selecting blog category. Just hit on this update, come back to category section. There you can see business movie. So let's we create, but we created just categories only, but we couldn't create any post for these categories. So we need to create some posts. So come into these post and hit on add new post. For business category I will create one article for business category. Business category is a child category. So see here you can see categories is there, even though you can create categories by using this option add new category. Okay, so come into this section, assign some title for this business. BUSINES, business is my business. This is my business article. So I would like to write some demo text. Brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Just copy that paragraph as a paragraph. Okay, yes, perfect. So I would like to select my category as a business. So I don't want to select this blog. I will select this blog only, because after inserting this blog category into navigation, means menu bar, what is happening is, so this parent category will show under these two child category articles also. So what is happening is, just click on the publish. So rest of the remaining options here in this document of the blog having same to same. Whatever pages we may get options, those options will available in post also. Just publish this page and click hit on publish. What is happening is, here you can see there is a business post article is there. Let me find out that. Come into the post section, just see the business is my business, other is so and so person, and category is having in business only. Okay, just come into the categories, just click on that category. See here, business article is there, and accounting has one category, one article is there for business category. Just hit on that one, it redirects into post business is my business. Okay, so let's we create another part for which purpose? Movies purpose. Just hit on this one, assign some title for movies article. Movie is a movie. This is my article. I would like to assign some paragraph also. Just copy paste that paragraph. Here you can see, and after that just hit on this document, just select movies category, just click on that publish. You will publish. What is happening is this articles also has been published into this section. So come into this part, you couldn't see the result. We couldn't assign that blog into navigation, or that blog into our menu section. So let me see. Here you can see movie is a movie having in movies category, business is my business article is having in category business category only. So let me insert these articles into our menu bar as a blog. See here you can see we have to assign menu, blog menu like this. Just come under this appearance, whatever menus you would like to assign, just come into appearance menu, click on menus. What is happening is you can see like this, primary menu is there. We will create blog menu. How can we create this category is having in post only, then how we can create blog? See, category menu option is there. By using this one also we can create navigation. By using pages we created navigation, and by using category also, or else by using single article we can also, posts are having in this section only, categories also are having in post menus only. So by using categories, just hit on view all. See here you can see the result, blog menu. If I click this blog, under these two categories also automatically come under this blog. Just hit add to menu. I would like to align this one as above the contact page. See, this is what is happening is, see the output having like this, menus are having like this. Home page seems to be custom link because we assigned only custom link. That's why it seems to be home page is a custom link. About services page, for this menu we assigned pages, so that's why it seems to be pages. Blog category we used to create this blog as a category. By using blog category only we created this menu, so that it seems to be category. But in contact page we created one page only, that's why it seems to be page. Here we can get the result, which type of category, which type of menu we created by using which category, which page, which custom link. Okay, so that is main important. And then I will save this menu. Let me see the output. So come into the preview main page, just refresh there. What is happening is here you can see the blog menu has been came. Just click on that one. What is happening is here you can see the blog section. This is movie is a movie, and this is business is my business. But here we missed to insert one image. That is one image. Whatever you want to insert image, what we need to do is just come into post section, just come into the post section and hit on movie is a movie, just edit there. Then you can see some settings there. We need to insert a featured image. Hit on set featured image, and let me see, is there any images for us? No, we will upload those images like this. So I would like to use some custom images by using these custom pictures which is provided by operating system default images. Set featured image, there you can see like this. Just update here, whatever update you may do, just come into this page and refresh one, that updated feature will be automatically generates. Okay, so yeah, we will assign one image for this article also. Just come into post dashboard, in dashboard post page. So what we need to do is, for business page we need to assign one image. So hit on edit, then what is happening is, you can see featured image is there, set featured image. Just upload another image for default image whatever we see. Just hit on this one, open. What is happening is, it will be load. Set featured image seems to be like this. Just update this one. So what is happening is, it has been updated. Just come into our main page, refresh, see here you can see two images has been came. This is the process. We can create any articles in menu bar. This is the parent category. Just click on this one. What is happening is, see, it seems to be like this. Movie is a movie, article title, and it is having date of the article, author of the article. If there is any comment, you can get that comments. Movie is there. This is the category of our movie. So whatever paragraph we inserted, that paragraph is there. At present we log into this website, that's why we can't able to see properly comments properly. Okay, so this is the way what we want to create articles. This is the process. Just to click on this blog, what is happening is, if you click on this one, you can able to see like this, business is my business. Okay, come into home page, it seems to be like this. So we created this blog page by using posts. So here you can see whatever post you would like to create, you need to use categories also. By using categories only, you can easily create any website. So we will discuss about comment section also in next class. Thank you for watching.